this is what I want to know. Am I the only person that gets on a hover around in Walmart when your feet be hurting and shit? I mean, because you've been working all day and stuff. And you just like, bump that. I really don't feel like walking away. You know what I'm saying? I done did my little work for 8, 12 hours, however long it is. You just be chilling and stuff. I wanted my own one. Also, too, you know, people don't know what my medical condition is, whether I'm just fat, whether I'm lazy, whether I'm pregnant. They don't know. Like, I need people to stop judging me when I ride around in the Walmart in this little hover around. Like, I'm really cruising. I'm getting, you see that? You see I move? Okay. The girl is cruising. Cruising down the street in my 6'4". Jogging at the beach. Slapping a hoe. Okay. Good morning, y'all. I ain't made a video in a long time. I was just wondering, just came to my mind. I'm not the only one to do that and do such a type of way. Have you ever had one of the little breeders have the audacity to say something to you like, oh, man, you can't be on that. We need that for elderly people or for handicapped people. Let me tell you something, lady. Ain't no restrictions and limitations. Little Walmart greeter. Ain't no sign on this cart to say I can't get on it and ride around because my feet hurt. Also, it's 6:30 in the morning. I mean, who is really coming here and shopping at 6:30 in the morning? I mean, I know old people get up in the morning, but it's like 15 other hover arounds. They'll be okay. So, we just riding around Walmart, getting it, you know what I'm saying? Ride around and I'm getting it. It's fine. I spend it. Alright. Now I'm about to go purchase my item and get the hell on through. Just want to make a quick video. Toodaloo.